tonight in an elder abuse case in Colonial Heights.
Police tell us a total of 16 nursing home employees have now been taken into custody. They're still looking for 2 more. This, of course, following the death of a patient at the Colonial Heights Rehabilitation and Nursing Center.
Tonight, the On Your Side investigators are learning of problems at the facility that go back years.
In fact, Madison McNamee has been going through the VDH inspections. She joins us now with what she's found. Maddie?
Kurt, Jasmine, I got my hands on 3 reports VDH conducted on the facility over the past year and a half, showing a slew of issues and failures to follow protocols, and I'm told there's likely even more to it. One day after police swarmed the Colonial Heights Rehabilitation and Nursing Center, VDH confirmed to 12 on Your Side it had been investigating conditions there for nearly 2 years. The health department provided us with reports from 3 unannounced visits to the facility in April and May of last year and August of this year. The April report centered on issues with COVID vaccines and COVID protocols. The following visits came in response to complaints, and what the VDH found was troubling. Medication not dispensed properly, if at all, a repeated failure to develop baseline care plans for patients and following through with those plans, and problems with patient-on-patient abuse and patients abusing staff. The findings show staff inadequately trained on how to respond. The reports did not cover the alleged abuse that led to a patient's death earlier this fall and charges being filed against 18 nursing home employees on Wednesday.
These charges include over 7 counts of felony abuse and neglect of vulnerable adults, 2 counts of misdemeanor abuse and neglect of a vulnerable adult, and 2 counts of obstructions, as well as 27 counts of falsifying patient records.
Attorney General Jason Miara is crediting a tip as well as his elder abuse task force for the arrests.
That was designed to improve that type of local jurisdiction cooperation in order to investigate in cases exactly like these, and then also pull our resources together to be able to prosecute these elder abuse cases. And so we think this is the first of many that you're going to see, because the best way to fight bad information is with good information.
Miara says he is limited on what he can say publicly about what happens at Colonial Heights Rehabilitation and Nursing Center.
These things happen in isolation. So if you don't know what's going on, if your loved one is away and there's no one checking in, that's a concern. And in caregiving relationships, the same kind of thing. If folks are kind of out of touch, it's really easy for things to snowball.
Rehabilitation Center today, and all I was told is they are aware of the events and have been cooperating with law enforcement. Delegate Mike Cherry also tells me the center has already named a new administrator and director of nursing, and state officials have been at that facility. In Madison McNamee, 12 on Your Side.
Thank you so much.